How to get new user on Temu. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to get new user on Temu. So to get a new user on Temu, you have to follow the steps. First of all, go ahead and log into your Temu account. So type in temu.com, and when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, you'll be able to see this sort of page. So here you need to go ahead and tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side corner, and then go to settings. As you click on settings, it's going to take you to this page. Here you need to scroll down a bit and then go to earn and reward. If you don't see that option, you could go ahead and change your region to any other country, and then you could go ahead and tap on switch to the following country that you're residing on. So here you can go ahead and tap on coupons and offers as well. After you do that, when you go to earn a reward, then you'll be able to find this option as send invite link and all that. You could go ahead and press on it, and when you do that, you'll receive a referral code, which you have to go ahead and post it on your social media platform, or you could just go ahead and share it to your friends or family on any other platform. And likewise, you could go ahead and get the user or new user on Temu. And the key of getting new user for Temu involves a mix of leveraging social media, tapping influencer marketing, and offering legit deals. Now, since Temu already has a strong presence on platforms like TikTok and Instagram, using these channels can work wonder as well. So that's basically how you can get user or new user on Temu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.